Good morning guys, and welcome to the video. If you've been following my channel for a little while, you know that my bike, the Red Devil, has been having an ongoing issue with a leaky radiator. And I don't know why I didn't think of this before. I just remembered the other day that you can actually go out and buy something like this. So this epoxy putty, it cost me, I think it was around $20.99 or $21.99 from Suoercheap. And I thought, why not try and plug that pesky little hole as a temporary fix, because I have a new radiator on order and I still intend on replacing the radiator when it does come in. But obviously with the way things are nowadays with supply and stuff like that, it may take quite a while. And so yeah, I remembered this. I thought I'll give it a try and see if it holds up, just to give me that little bit more peace of mind and I can get this bike out and just go for decent runs. Because now we've got longer days and warmer weather, and unfortunately this thing is sort of being parked up in here. So yeah, let's give this a try and see how it goes. Alright, so we've taken the radiator cowl off. I'm just going to clean up all this residue and all this. Give it a good clean, just to get all that crap off. I'll come back to you. Alright, so that's all clean. Now, looking over the instructions briefly, you just got to scuff up the area you want to use, which makes sense because it's like a painted surface. It's obvious it's not going to stick. I'll just... I'll do, I don't overdo it. So now I'm just going to wipe over with some wax and grease remover, just to get all the dirt and the oil and all that off. Let it dry really well. So I've just cut off a little piece like that. You know, it says to just knead it in your fingers until it gets warm, until you mix it up right. Right? You need a very, very little bit. Let's see. Probably not the ideal thing, but let's see. Well, that's covering it. Alright, I think that's pretty good. And maybe overkill, but that I can live with. Because that's not going to interfere with anything. I can still bolt everything back on. It says it takes about 4 minutes to dry and about 4 hours to cure. But it is going to be left overnight and maybe even for a couple of days, so before I'm going to actually take it for a ride. So I'm going to let this sit, let it harden and let it dry, keep an eye on it. And I'll come back to you after I've actually taken it for a test ride. So, yeah, I think that should hold all right. All right, we'll leave it till then. I'll come back to you. Yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick look. So let's see how that holds up. So yeah, I'm going to let that cure for at least 24 hours. It says 4 hours, but I'm going to give it a day, possibly even 2, before I'll get the chance to go and ride. And I'll come back to you after I've taken it for a ride. Okay, Motorhead, so I'm back. I just got back from a ride this morning. I did about 88.5 Ks. Just to test out the radiator, or that temporary patch I did. And good news, there's no leaks. Seems to be holding up pretty well. So just give me that little bit more peace of mind. Yeah, so far so good. At least it'll enable me to be a bit more relaxed and get out and do a bit more riding when I'm not working anyway. So yeah, there you have it, guys. On that side of things, if you like this video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Be kind, be safe, and I shall see you on the next one.